thing I'm more like slow flight kind of guy.
Yeah, right. It's 8S. You go like a nut.
Oh, we could do a heritage flight.
We could.
2 F-22s, F-4, F-18. Alright, fair enough.
Why does it jump in the air like that? Have you noticed that?
Oh, yours does the
Mine does the same thing. I don't want it to go up and it does.
I have no clue. I do believe it's too much.
Believe. No, I don't even touch it. I don't touch it. And it goes.
No, I think you do it. You forget.
I forget.
Because it's sitting down a little bit, so when it does drop around,
you do have a sort of a high angle of attack on it.
Yeah, it is.
It does sit like it's gonna go in the little positive AOA.
That's the same with the F4. Like when it's ready to go, it'll jump off the ground because it sits low.
Oh wait.
Yeah, I gotta tone down my aileron.
Just can't fly like. I'll fly somewhat reasonable today instead of.
Expo and what's your percent?
You don't want to know. My expo's high. I fly high.
He flies like.
Usually 60 on aileron. I use a lot.
You ready, Ray?
Yeah, go. I'll go behind you.
Take it off. Yeah, step back.
Shit, I shouldn't have worn a black shirt.
You know what? Looks like you were right, Sia. I just used too much elevator.
What's that?
I said you're right. I just used too much elevator because I didn't touch it there. I didn't touch it there and it went fine.
I can't get it slow enough.
You gotta set up the high altitude. You gotta set up the high altitude return. Yours is a little harder too.
It does.
That thing like flying saucer. I gotta add more expo for sure.
Oh, the burners actually look good on this.
What do you have on yours, man?
On my F-22? I have like 15 and 40.
I have like 20 something. I'm not at 30. My elevator's good, but
Yeah, I have a lot on my aileron. I have a lot on my
it
elevator.
needs it because it turns. Alright, low pass.
Whoa!
Yeah, don't do a flat spin with the bits.
It stalled. Oh, that's what Ricky did, right?
That's what Ricky did last year.
Sheesh, who was that? Nate, that thing's hauling.
Yeah. Oh yeah, Ricky got midair and his F-18.
And then the F-22. Oh, I felt so bad for him.
That was a grand right. That was like a grand.
Yeah, I got too much throw on this thing.
Whoa. Who's that
Oh
cut?
shit, I gotta land, guys.
Time remaining.
Oh, Ray, I thought it was Keyon.
Landing.
Doing a fast, slow pass before you land. Keon, you keep walking forward, walk back.
I just used to have it when I'm landing.
I got better about that. I'm gonna do a low pass from the right.
Okay, go ahead.
Come on.
Go.
I touched the rudder.
30 seconds.
Yeah, that's why I have 90% expo on my right.
It's okay, because I got the print for that. Alright guys, I'm clear.
I'm landing. Well, come down. The hell?
10, 9, 8.
There we go. Just if I hit a little thermal and it wouldn't come down.
6, 5,
Victory pass.
4.
That thing sounds so good.
3, 2, 1.
That was the at the field balance at Castle.
That was the castle balance.
Yeah.
Alright, let's see how slow I can get this thing to land. I've been getting really comfortable with the high alpha landing. Oh
Cool, let's see.
Ah, hit the thermal again.
That's that thermal. That's slower than anybody I've seen land that thing.
I'm cutting wires, I shouldn't be cutting them back to the sun.
Whew. Good stuff, boys.
I wish I had my F-22, that would have been good.
I may end up having to go with yours.